Okay, nothing fancy today. We've got our dominant mini-shedding poker in case we need it. We've got some birch bark we picked up walking the dogs down the railroad tracks. And some more Canadian winter pocket tinder. And our Nathan 4071 barrel rod. And just a cheap utility knife you get at the hardware store. So we're going to see if we can do this without making a mess. I don't know, this pocket tinder tends to be damp for some reason. But anyways, there we go. Couple little pieces of fat wood in there too. Sure is smoky, but it's a nice still day, so I'm pretty happy. Still haven't found my other dog though. Oh well. There he is. So let's stir this up a bit. Not good enough for me. Let's go make some coffee. Alright, Shellhead 8, and welcome to another Bluegrass Bushcraft Coffee Challenge. If I can find a spot here at the end. So today we're going to use the AeroPress and just regular my regular house brand coffee. I did have the kettle boiling inside a minute ago, so it won't take long to whistle first. So we got this nice coffee container at the thrift store. It's a nice warm day out today. Tomorrow, not so good. So that's why we're doing this today. So anyways, this and this don't match up very well because it's such a big cup. But this is the cup that comes with the AeroPress. So look at that, fits exactly. And like I say, we got our house brand coffee in there. And first we're gonna light our candles because AeroPress is pretty fast. That lighter isn't very fast. There we go. So let's pour some water on the table. And we'll take our little stir stick that comes with the AeroPress. Give this a stir. And that's all the steeping you need for this. We just put this here, push it through into the cup. And just stick that there out of the way so it doesn't make much of a mess. We'll pour our coffee, which is actually espresso right now. We're pretty close to it. Top it up with hot water. Make a Cafe American, I guess it's called. Spoonful of sugar. A little bit of milk, even though it's got cream. And there you go. It's a Giant Tiger mug, which is a local store chain. Department store, I guess you'd call it. So, quite a bit of my grocery shopping there. Am I okay now? I needed this third cup of coffee for today. Anyways, we walked the dogs. Baked a loaf of bread. Cleaned up the yard. Now we're stopping for a coffee break. So anyways, we light these fires for the people that need them, and those that have gone before us, and those of us that have been left behind. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next week.